are just walking around campus and not really taking measures.
Dutch universities have been fined for not enforcing the smoking ban on campus, so let's see how good of a job security did at Erasmus. And do you know that there's a smoking ban?
Yes, we know.
Yes, I do. I've actually seen a few posts with it saying it's forbidden to smoke on campus.
Have you ever been smoking on campus before?
Yes, I have. Every day.
We were just smoking on campus. Yeah, you have some areas where it's quite, you have lots of people, so you can actually like smoke your cigarettes.
No, I still smoke on campus on a daily basis, around 10 cigarettes per day.
Have you been approached by security before?
Yes, a couple of times, especially if I'm smoking in like the middle of the campus.
Almost every day with the library, they always come outside and then ask, can you please stop smoking?
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago?
Yes.
How do these interactions usually look like with the security?
Hi, can you please stop smoking? You're not allowed to smoke here. Can you please move? That's all.
Sometimes they just come to you, they say, yeah, you have to finish your cigarettes outside the campus.
Very repetitive, the same text every time.
They wait until you're gone and then they don't care anymore. You just go around the corner and smoke.
Then we come back.
So I say, I'm really sorry, so I won't do it ever again.
It doesn't really work, but they come often.
So do you think that security takes it seriously?
Not so much from what I've picked up.
I feel like they are not taking their job seriously and they don't really care. They are just walking around campus and not really taking measures.
They do take it seriously. They try to make you stop, but it doesn't ever work.
Once, when I was with my friends and we were a big group, they just took our student ID but then wrote it on a piece of paper, then threw the paper away. So.
Does it still do anything to you if security comes up to you?
No. I just keep on smoking.
I don't see much security usually on campus, so no.
There's like so little security on campus.
If it's more enforced, then it's less likely for me to try and get away with it anyway. Because that is essentially what I'm doing. So yeah.